From the remote and windswept plains of Mongolia to the vast grasslands of Inner Mongolia and beyond, millions of Cashmere goats are raised in carefully managed herds, playing a vital role in one of the world's most luxurious and coveted industries. These remarkable animals are the cornerstone of an industry that harvests an astonishing 15 million tons of cashmere wool each year, a fabric so soft, light, and warm that it has captivated the hearts of fashion designers and consumers alike. Similarly, the story of these goats doesn't end with their prized wool, but also with their impressive annual milk production of 20 million tons and a thriving goat meat market. These animals have become an economic powerhouse, driving industries that span continents. Overall, cashmere wool production begins in the heart of remote regions where goats are raised in large numbers to meet overwhelming demand. These goats are typically divided into two main categories: fiber goats, prized for their soft undercoat, and dairy goats, raised primarily for milk production. Cashmere fiber, known for its incredible warmth and luxurious texture, is obtained from the soft undercoat of these animals. Despite the apparent delicacy of this fiber, producing cashmere wool is a highly laborious process that requires precision and skill. Goats naturally shed their soft undercoat every spring, and herders must carefully collect this valuable material using combing methods. Each goat produces only about 2 to 3 grams of usable cashmere annually. Given the scale of global demand for cashmere, this means tens of millions of goats are raised and combed to supply markets worldwide. The process begins with gently combing the goats using specialized tools to extract the fine undercoat, while leaving the protective outer coat intact. This method ensures that the goats are not harmed and remain comfortable throughout the process. Once the raw cashmere wool is collected, it is far from ready for manufacturing. It must undergo thorough cleaning to remove dirt, oils, and impurities. This washing process is vital as it ensures that the delicate fibers retain their characteristic softness. The clean wool is dried and stored in controlled environments before undergoing further refinement. The fibers are meticulously separated by length and thickness, ensuring that only the finest strands are selected for high-end garments. This attention to detail allows cashmere to maintain its status as one of the most luxurious textiles in the world, frequently fetching significantly higher prices than sheep's wool. Traditionally, the economic impact of the cashmere industry is enormous worldwide. The cashmere trade generates billions of dollars annually, with major producers like China, Mongolia, and parts of Central Asia leading the market. These regions have become key exporters, shipping the wool to fashion hubs in Italy, the United Kingdom, and the United States, where it is transformed into high-end garments. This thriving industry also creates significant employment opportunities, supporting millions of herders, factory workers, and designers across the globe. Beyond the lucrative wool trade, cashmere goats are also highly valued for their milk production, yielding an impressive 20 million tons annually. Goat milk is known for its rich nutritional profile, high in calcium, potassium, and essential vitamins. Goat milk is often preferred for its easy digestibility compared to cow's milk, making it a vital element in the diet of many cultures and a growing market for dairy producers worldwide. Goat cheese, yogurt, and other dairy products derived from goat's milk continue to grow in popularity, particularly in Europe, the Middle East, and parts of Latin America, where goat's milk products are appreciated for their unique flavor and health benefits. Furthermore, meat production is another significant aspect of the cashmere goat industry. Although often overlooked in Western markets, goat meat is an essential source of protein in regions like North Africa, the Middle East, and parts of Asia. Goat meat production adheres to strict quality control measures, ensuring the meat is thoroughly cleaned, trimmed, and portioned according to market demands. This meat is rich in protein, iron, and essential nutrients, making it a valuable addition to Let's delve into the incredible world of shiitake mushrooms, one of Japan's most prized culinary treasures. These fungi, scientifically known as Lentinula edota, have captivated not only the palate but also the minds of people worldwide, thanks to their unique flavor, nutritional value, and fascinating history. Accounting for approximately 2% of global mushroom production, shiitake mushrooms are an essential component of the global mushroom market, valued at $50.3 billion, a figure projected to grow by nearly 10% annually until 2030. The cultivation of shiitake mushrooms in Japan has a history dating back almost 1,000 years, originating in the country's forested regions. Early Japanese farmers discovered that these mushrooms thrived on hardwood logs, a method still used today. This traditional log cultivation method is more than just a technique, it's a legacy passed down through generations, preserving not only the quality of the mushrooms but also the cultural heritage of Japan's rural areas. Forestry farming requires a lot of hard work and patience, but the rewards are remarkable, producing shiitake mushrooms with unparalleled depth of flavor and texture. Culturally, shiitake mushrooms hold a special place in Japan's history and daily life. Beyond their culinary uses, they have been revered for their medicinal properties in traditional practices. Ancient texts describe shiitake mushrooms as a natural remedy for strengthening the immune system and promoting longevity, beliefs that modern science partially confirms. Today, they are a staple in Japanese cuisine, used in dishes like soups, stir-fries, and broths, where their rich umami flavor elevates even the simplest meals. Economically, shiitake mushrooms are crucial to Japan's agricultural landscape, Although Japan produces fewer shiitake mushrooms than countries like China, its focus on quality over quantity allows it to command premium prices in the global market. Each year, Japan produces significant volumes, contributing millions of dollars to its economy and supporting rural communities. Farmers often rely on traditional methods that not only sustain their livelihoods but also connect them with the land and its rhythms. Dried shiitake mushrooms, in particular, are a highly valued export product due to their concentrated flavor and long shelf life, making them a global favorite. Globally, shiitake mushrooms stand out in a market dominated by varieties like white button mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, and portobellos. While white button mushrooms lead in production and consumption, shiitake mushrooms are valued for their premium quality and health benefits. Packed with essential nutrients, including B and D vitamins, iron, magnesium, and calcium, shiitake mushrooms are a nutritional powerhouse. They contain unique compounds like polysaccharides and antioxidants, known to strengthen the immune system, reduce cholesterol, and promote overall health. This nutritional profile has made shiitake mushrooms increasingly popular among health-conscious consumers worldwide. Despite their relatively small share of total mushroom consumption, shiitake mushrooms stand out economically and culturally. Their annual growth rate of over 9% in the global market highlights their increasing importance. The dedication to quality also sets them apart. Japanese shiitake mushrooms, grown in natural forest conditions, are considered a gold standard. The laborious process ensures that each mushroom obtains its nutrients directly from hardwood logs, resulting in a superior product. Environmental sustainability is another vital aspect of shiitake cultivation. The traditional log cultivation method not only produces high-quality mushrooms but also has a low-carbon footprint, by relying on natural processes and minimizing artificial interventions. This technique aligns with growing global demands for sustainable agriculture. Forestry farming also contributes to biodiversity and the health of forest ecosystems, making it a win-win situation for both farmers and the environment. However, this method is not without its challenges. Climate change poses a significant threat to forestry farming, affecting the delicate balance of temperature, humidity, and other critical factors for shiitake growth. Additionally, competition from mushrooms grown in massive greenhouses presents economic pressures. Nevertheless, Japan's dedication to traditional methods has allowed it to carve out a niche in the global market, focusing on quality rather than quantity. Let's not forget the human connection in this story. Shiitake cultivation is more than a business, it's a lifestyle. Farmers often spend decades perfecting the art of cultivation, guided by intuition and experience. Many older farmers in Japan's rural areas find purpose and pride in this work, passing down their knowledge to younger generations. Their stories add a personal dimension to the global journey of these mushrooms, connecting people from different cultures and continents. Beyond Japan, shiitake mushrooms have become a global culinary phenomenon. Their rich umami flavor has made them a favorite ingredient in a wide range of cuisines, from Asian dishes to gourmet recipes in Europe and North America. They are not just for food lovers, their health benefits have also caught the attention of the wellness industry, leading to their inclusion in dietary supplements and health-focused products. Compared to other mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms stand out as a high-value crop. While white button mushrooms dominate the market in volume, they don't offer the same level of flavor or nutritional benefits. Oyster mushrooms are versatile but lack the unique compounds found in shiitake, and portobellos, while popular for grilling, are less nutrient-dense. Shiitake mushrooms may not be the most consumed variety, but they are certainly among the most respected and valued. Looking to the future, shiitake cultivation looks promising. Technological advances could help traditional farmers optimize their processes without compromising quality. At the same time, growing global awareness of sustainable practices and premium ingredients could further elevate the status of shiitake mushrooms in the culinary and wellness worlds. As consumers continue to seek tasty, nutritious, and environmentally friendly foods, shiitake mushrooms are poised to play an even greater role on the global stage. From their ancient origins in the forests of Japan to their modern presence in kitchens worldwide, shiitake mushrooms are a testament to the harmony between tradition and innovation. They remind us that the best things often come from methods that respect nature, nurture culture, and value quality over quantity. Whether fresh or dried, in a bowl of ramen or a health supplement, shiitake mushrooms carry with them a rich history and a bright future, making them one of the world's most remarkable foods.